Assalamualaikum 9th class. Today we are doing chapter number 8, numerical number 8.3 to 8.7. First we have to do the numerical number 8.3. The statement of the numerical is calculate the increase in length of aluminium bar that is 2 meter long. When the heated from 0 to 20 degree, the thermal coefficient of linear expansion of aluminium is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Kelvin. Students, we have to find the increase in length or change in length. The original length is 2 meter. The change in temperature is from 0 to 20. So our change in temperature is 0 minus 20 minus 0 Kelvin. So students, change in temperature becomes 20 Kelvin. The thermal coefficient of linear expansion is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 per Kelvin. You have to find the change in length. The formula of change in length, delta L is equal to alpha L naught delta T. By putting values 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 multiplied by L naught is 2 meter, then delta T, that is 20 Kelvin. Simplification, after simplification our answer becomes 0.001 meter. In centimeter the answer becomes 0.1 centimeter. So this is our answer. Now students, the numerical number 8.4 is a balloon contains 1.2 meter air at 50 degree. Find its value at 40 degree. Thermal coefficient of volume expansion of air is this. Students, this is the volume. Original volume V0 is equal to 1.2 meter cube. Then the change in temperature is 40 minus 15 Kelvin, that is becomes 25 Kelvin. The coefficient of volume thermal expansion is 3.67 to 10 raised to power minus 3 per Kelvin. We have to find the volume at 40 degree centigrade. Then the formula of the volume is V is equal to V0 1 plus beta delta T. By putting the values, V0 is 1.2 meter cube, 1 plus the value of beta is 3.67 into 10 raised to power minus 3 multiplied by delta T, that is 25. Students, first you have to multiply these two digits and then add 1 and then multiply by 1.2. Our answer becomes 1.3 meter cube. This is the answer. This is the volume on the temperature of 40 degree centigrade. Now students, the numerical number 8.5, the statement is how much heat is required to increase the temperature of 0.5 kg of water from 10 degree to 65 degree. So student, numerical number 8.5 is how much heat is required to increase 0.25 kg. Given data is mass 0.5 kg and the change in temperature, is 65 to 10, that is becomes 55 Kelvin. You have to find the heat. Specific heat of water is 4200 joule per kg per Kelvin. The formula of heat is mc delta T. By putting values 0.5 multiply 4200 multiply by 55, our answer becomes 11,550 joule. As heat is the energy, so unit of heat energy is joule. This is our answer. Now the numerical number 8.6 is an electrical heater supply heat at a rate of 1000 joule per second. Joule per second is the unit, SI unit of power. So this is the given data, this amount is the power. How much time is required to raise the temperature? We find the time of 200 gram of water from 0 degree to 90 degree. So students, first in given data, first term is power, that is 1000 joule per second. Now we have to find the time. What is time? Mass is 200 gram, that is becomes 0.2 kg. Now the change in temperature is 90 minus 20 Kelvin, that is becomes 70 Kelvin. The specific heat of water is 4200 joule per kg. Now student, first we have to find the heat energy, that is mc delta T, by putting values 0.2 multiply 4200 multiply by 70. Answer becomes 58800 joule. Then the formula of power is energy divided by time. By putting values, power is 1000 joule per second and the heat is 58800 joule divided by time. After cross multiplication, time becomes 58800 joule divided by 1000 joule per second. Then our answer becomes 58.8 seconds. Now this is our required answer, 58.8 seconds. Now student, the numerical number 8.7 is how much ice will be melted by 50,000 joule of heat. Latent heat of fusion of ice is 336,000. Now students, in given data, heat is 50,000 joule and latent heat of fusion of ice is 336,000 joule per kg. You have to find the mass of ice. The formula is m is equal to Q is equal to mhf, then m becomes Q over hf. By putting values, 50,000 joule divided by 336,000 joule per kg. After simplification, our answer becomes 0.148. If we round off the answer, then our answer becomes 0.150 kilogram. If we convert in grams, it becomes 150 grams. So this is the mass of ice which melt and change into gaseous state, solid state. So this is our answer. Now you can note your diary, that is numerical number 8.3 to 8.7. Thank you.